KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's KD-X422POA is an HDMI HD-based-T extension kit that extends 4K signals up to 40 meters and 1080p signals up to 70 meters. KD-X422POA has a wide assortment of integration features, including HDMI audio de-embedding, so that the incoming video source may be output over analog and digital audio connections on the transmit unit so that it can be fed into audio amplifiers and distribution systems. KD-X422POA includes a wide assortment of troubleshooting tools, including EDID control, where the integrator may use the rotary to select from 16 available HDMI handshaking options. KD-X422POA supports 4K resolutions with HDR up to 10.2 gigabits per second, and in addition to the HDMI video and audio signal, will extend IR and RS-232 control. For more information on how to utilize these useful tools in your integration system, please read the owner's manual for X422POA, available at KeyDigital.com.